The combination of the capabilities that C3 brings to the table in terms of their depth of knowledge, their expertise, the industry information that they have, paired with the capabilities that Google Cloud provides in terms of compute, infrastructure, security, storage, and the global scale. C3 and Google come together and bring their core capabilities to solve for very interesting use cases for critical industries like healthcare, manufacturing, financial services, and many others. And given that C3 is a core standalone technology company versus sitting inside a big industrial company, it provides the freedom, the capability for C3 to be able to go into these customers and be able to tell them the story about how digital transformation can drive value to their business. On the other side, a lot of these companies are transitioning to cloud, and Google Cloud is one of their preferred cloud providers, especially around our focus on security and our focus on global scale and networking. And as these companies look truly at the end-to-end digital transformation, one part being the infrastructure side moving to cloud, and the other part being applying predictive AI, machine learning, and all these technologies to drive meaningful revenue growth, meaningful improvement to their bottom line. I think the capabilities come together very well, where they complement each other and drive growth for our customer base. We are not in the business of end user applications in most cases, from the Google Cloud Enterprise standpoint, which is where the C3 complement comes in perfectly for us. I've been working with the C3 team for about 5 months now, and without exception, I've found everybody at C3 to be genuine. They're super interested in what we are doing together. They're intellectually honest. They have a right attitude towards approaching joint customers. I want to make sure that the C3 and Google partnership becomes the most important partnership that we have in this space, in the AI and ML space, for both Google and for C3.